Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Equate Beauty Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. It just says compared to Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes and dissolves all traces of makeup, removes waterproof mascara, alcohol, and oil-free. This is just what the outside looks like. This one does come with 40 pre-moistened towelettes, and this is 7.4 by 7.2. And yeah, this is just what the bag looks like. Excuse my mascara on it. I actually purchased this product in a 2-pack. It's very inexpensive if you purchase it even singularly, but it's inexpensive and affordable if you purchase it with the 2-pack. So right here it says compared to Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. So since it says that, I'm going to give you guys a little background on how I came to this product and why I like it and some dislikes that I have about it. But I always used to use the Neutrogena Makeup Cleansing Towelettes, which looks very similar to this packaging, and sometimes people might get it confused, or like I've even had people say like, oh, I use those too, but then actually look at this part and see Equate on it. But I used to use Neutrogena, but I don't wear that much makeup, so it wasn't like a big conflict for me to switch over makeup wipes, because to be honest guys, Neutrogena's wipes were a little bit pricey and I am in college, and so you always want to get a bang for your buck. So I was like, I can't keep affording Neutrogena, like it's very expensive. So then I realized that Equate had a brand of makeup wipes, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it a try. You never know with products, all you can do is give it a try. So I decided to give Equate a try, and I absolutely positively, like, I don't second guess, like I don't regret it a day in my life. Like, I think that these work just as well as the Neutrogena ones. Well, one thing that I can say is that, like, if you put on a full face of makeup, it will take a little bit longer for you to have to get it off, but that is okay. I'd rather spend 2 extra minutes trying to get makeup off of my face than $2 extra. And I don't even know if that's the exact price between the two products, but it's like a price difference, obviously, because I'm not calling Equate generic at all, but what I am saying is this is kind of the generic version compared to the Neutrogena Towelettes. Also, guys, something else that, just in case you guys have never purchased this or know what it is, this has the sealing case to keep these moisturized. These last long, but it depends on how often you wear makeup, to be honest. It's depending on how long makeup wipes are gonna last. I don't wear makeup every day, like I said, so this is just the first package in the packet of 2 I have, and I still have some left in here and still a whole big package left. I probably wear makeup every other day, and then for special occasions, and when I do wear makeup, it's like BB cream, eyeliner, mascara, and I fill in my eyebrows. So it's not that much that I have to wipe off my face, but I do know people personally who put on full faces of makeup every day and who live by these. Just because, I don't know if any other girl does this, but I live by this. If I don't fill up one towelette, like, I will just stick it back in here because this locks in the moisture of the towelette. And I don't know if I'm the only one. I know I have for close friends, family members, sorority sisters that do this, but we just stick the towels back in there after we get done using part of it if we haven't used the whole thing, or rip it in half for what we need. And that really saves on these. So a tip, if you're gonna get these or any makeup wipe, if you don't use the whole thing, just try to rip the part where you did not use and put it back in there, because that will save you a lot of money. Also, like I mentioned before, these are inexpensive. So what I mean by like inexpensive is that like obviously they're not that much money, but when it comes to makeup wipes, if you guys have ever seen the price of some, or if you just go down if you even just go to Walmart and look down the beauty aisle, the wipes in general are very expensive, and I don't think people realize that. I know some people prefer cleansers over wipes, or I know people to just even prefer to just wash their face and just skip the whole makeup removing part and just say like, I'm just gonna wash my face. I don't know how good that is for your skin, but what I will say about these on my skin is that it makes my skin feel so refreshed, so cleansed. There's times where I wash my face every day in the shower, so there's times where like I've had makeup on at the end of the night and I'll just bring one of these in with the shower with me, and like even if it gets a little hot water on there, like the makeup just honestly comes right off my face. Like I love taking this off. I love using these wipes to take off my makeup. My face feels honestly like so good, like it feels so cleansed. Like it's just one of the best feelings. Something else that I really love about these makeup wipes too is that they're big. So I'm going to show you guys one. So this is what the makeup wipe looks like. It just looks like a regular baby wipe. This. And like I said, so earlier, you know how I mentioned, if you're not going to use the whole thing, just rip half. One half of these will really take off all your makeup, depending on how much makeup you wear. If you wear a full face, you might need the whole thing. But one half of these, if you just have on eye makeup, will really do the job. I live by these wipes. It's something that if anybody's like, how do you get your makeup off? Or like, I will even, there's been times where I've even gone out and like, I will carry these with me because right after I leave the bar, it's take my makeup off time. I live by these, and then guys, if I don't use one half, I just stuff it back in here like this. And that's the beauty of this product. Like, so nice. Clap it, close it, and look at it. It's like sealed. You don't have to worry about any air getting in there. But like I said, this is just the Equate Beauty compared to Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. I love this product, and yeah.